Welcome friends, I am Urmila Lule and today here in our drawing class for standard 9th and 10th, combining talking with you because we are talking now on project book preparation today. That's why project book preparation. Here for this project means project in Marathi we called as prakalp. So there is information related photos and many other things we can collectively store there in a one book. So this is a very nice book. How to prepare it, how it's look like, we are talking about this afterwards. At first, talk about the subjects, the related subjects, related topics included in this project. So mainly they are concerned with the history, and after that some other latest subjects are also we have to study in this year for both standard 9th and 10th, but we are preparing on them paintings or models or posters. So the preparation style it changes, and likewise we learn that time how to paint them, how to do the poster making, then how to do the models also. In this way we learn many much more things in the coming videos. Here first of all we today talk about mainly the project book and its related subjects. So friends, I write some subjects on the blackboard. So write it down clearly and choose the subjects which one you like for your project book. So first subject is, mainly these subjects are on our Indian history topics. Indus Valley Civilization. So you know people, here we learn about sculptures, then pottery, coins, and we can add here jewelry also. Bricks, then town houses, common bath places, drainage management, statues, so find out the related topics, use internet, use the help of code books, and choose the topics from these topics. Okay, so there is no need to include all these topics. choose one topic. If you choose the statue of a dancing girl, so related picture means the dancing girl statue picture here. Then here picture, name of the topic, then where it is found means place, period, in which period this is found means the history, about that particular statue. Medium also you can include, medium. So whatever the related information, you have to collect the total information here and write it down in front of that page or the next page. But the picture must be add an impression here. Picture must talk more about the information. So include the pictures, related pictures. Don't skip this. In this way, much more topics we found in Indian civilization. More topics. If you found that, choose one, whatever you like, and make one page for that. Okay. Now come to the next topic. Also a much more interesting part. Indian famous rulers, emperors, means kings. For that you have to study some periods like Mauryan period, okay, then Shunga period, then Kushan and Gupta period. Gupta right here. Period. This means period. Next, Pallav, Rashtrakoot and Chandel. And Chandel. Dynasties. The dynasties. So find out the related popular emperor, popular king. For example, Chandragupta Maurya, and here in Gupta period, Chandragupta Maurya. Or related gurus also you can take. So rulers and gurus you can take. Or a famous character. At that time, or artist, to choose anyone, the choice is yours. This is for your information only, so choice is yours. So So come to the next point. So second page is related this topic. Second page of your project. Sculptures and statues. Separately do this page because many statues are famous in the world. Our India is also a very well-known country. For example, if we take Buddha, so you know Veru Ajanta and Aurangabad caves, very popular. Again, if we think about the latest, Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, okay, or freedom fighters. Freedom fighters. Statues related these people. You can choose anyone and what to write. So suppose this is your page. So here figure here is the figure. Then means picture, place, size, related artist if you know, medium, in which medium it is made, it is bronze or copper or plaster of Paris, whatever it may be. Now information about the statue, person, then some main features. About this sculpture, or if you think about the old statues, you can think Yakshini. Here we go. Yaksh. Yakshini. Okay. In this way, sculptures and statues, the topic is very vast. Only think about only one statue, find out the related information, its picture and the main features, why it is popular and how it is popular. So who made it, where it is being found in India. So write it down, the related information about that sculpture. One more interested topic, temples. Okay, it's number 4 I think. temples. So three types of temples we found in our India. Vasar style, Dravid style. So take one more temple, only one temple. For example, Konark or Surya Mandir. It is Khajuraho temples, Pancharat temples, or Kandariya Mahadev Mandir, Orison temples. You can take these temples. Okay. So the related picture, place, main features, how it will and in which period it is done. So related information about this. Okay. So take, or you can write about the temple in your city, in your own city. You can choose this topic. For example, if we are in Ambala, so here one temple is popular, or in Badlapur, Gaon Devi temple, so I am not seeing it. In this way, choose one temple, maybe it is ancient or new one, but it must be famous in the world. So the topic is depend on which temple you want to include in our project. So totally it is your choice. Why I am not giving that particular names? Because the projects, we want the projects and different students, different projects we want. So you can read another information about the another temple in your friend's project. That's why choose your own topics. And let's come to the next subject here, Indian miniature paintings. Indian miniature paintings. This miniature, small paintings are there. When you find out on the internet, you will get this miniature painting about artists, then the colors, very detailless, bright colors, all about things you can write, or the subject of the picture, when it is about hunting or about the portrait of that emperor, whatever it be the subject, write it down the related features of that particular miniatures. Okay, now come to the next point here. When in miniature, 4-5 styles we found, mostly Mughal, Rajput, then these are styles, miniature styles. Then Pahadi and Kangra. Here you find Mughal style, Rajput style, Pahadi style and Kangra style. You will get the miniature paintings. Their photos and related information also. Come to the next point, artists. You can choose old artists. For example, Raja Ravi Verma. और अपनी तरह टबो अमृता शेरगिल also. For contemporary artists. Or you can take progressive artists. You choose anyone. You can include latest artists also. Latest. Artist. For example, Vadyakam. Vasudev Kama. और मिलिंद मुलिक. Then John Fernandez. So find out John Fernandez on the internet. We will get very nice pictures of ladies, figures. So in this way, choose anyone only. These are the examples only. Choose any one artist and his artwork. So artist and artwork. Photo, main features, color medium, size of that painting, whether it is composition or portrait or landscape or abstract painting it is, or in which style it is done, you can write it. So like this, artists and related artworks, choose and then write the information. So choose only one artist and one artwork, or you can write more artwork, no problem, that's not issue, but choose only one artist. So come to the next topic. This is our 6th page of project. Come to the next topic. You can give number here 7. Interesting part is also. Well-known musicians. So find out the well-known musicians or which one you like. This page is related musicians, then about musical instruments. Which instrument do you like most? So related picture and related information and related artist you can write. So you can combine these two topics, no problem. Only one page we need here. Only one page. So next one. Self-information. In this topic, you can write about you, your hobbies. First of all, write your introduction. Family. Hobbies. Interests. Your ideal person. Or heroes, heroines, which one you like, freedom fighters, which dish do you like most, then colors, dress style you can include here, then friends, teachers, you can indicate their names and why you like them most. Books also, which book do you like most, picture film, or musical instrument, music, instrument, artist, or song, whatever it may be. So which birds, animals, cities, places. So whatever be it your likeness, you can include in this information. Either write the topic and write down your likeness here. Okay. In this way, we complete these projects pages. So you can add more pages also. If any topic we skip, the pages also here. If you done any nice painting, so come to the next. Your artwork means my artwork. You can write like this. My artwork. So it may be painting, landscape, or model. Science model also you can include, no problem. Or any thing what you done. and this year or previous, no problem. But it is your own artwork related to this. So related photo, and if you don't have photo, sketch there, no problem. So remember that project, if you don't have right now, it's destroyed, or it may be if you lose it. So no problem. Memorize this, draw a sketch and write it down about the information, how you collect the papers, related things, and what are your efforts. You can write your own experience here. So this page becomes interesting for you. In this way, we need 10 pages in our project book. Exactly clear? Now, how to make a project book, or how the project book looks like. So we'll talk about this topic. So friends, see, I show you. See, this is a project book. Means I have a simple notebook like this, and I add this top board here, related hard papers first, and this way I done a nice cover for it. To use the corner plates, you can get it easily, no problem. This is the leather sheet I paste here. Then index, the safety pages I also use index. One artwork I done. So this page is mainly about the craft. So the related figures, and here a procedure I write in this way. This is done. Okay. One more thing. Look, this is a spiral binding and easy to open. Very easy to open. So the papers are not so simple. You can paste here colored tinted papers also. So use colored papers, design papers for photos, make a nice frame, and for front page you can add your own ideas, box style book or any other shape. I don't have some books here right now, but it is your own idea how to make a interesting project book. Find out the on net or any other app and try to make a nice project book and then write it down. Here I want to show you one more thing. Suppose if you want to write information, write down the topic name, and the topic name is bold in style. Writing style is bold. So you can use different types of colors to focus it. So in this way, decorate your own project well. It is your project is your own artwork. So by making a nice project, you are doing a work like an artist. So use your imaginary, different ideas. So discuss about it with the related teachers or your parents, friends, discuss this topic. Collect the different colored papers or nice pens you can use. You can use nice calligraphy in it. Stickers also you can use. So whatever the material you can use, there is no objection. Simply the project is looking very nice with your own ideas. Opening styles also different, closing styles, packing styles, or a book binding style. So much more things you can do in it. But I need these 10 pages in that and related pictures. Exactly clear? So we finished here today's period. In the next topic, I already told you about the pictures, then uh, what and models, correct? Paintings, posters, and models. We are talking about that and how to make them. We do here on in our class. So first do this thing. So we will meet in the next period, taking these new interesting topics related in our drawing subject to improve our confidence and interest in art. So good day and goodbye.